Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one of the Tesla hide features, and that one is a quick control. Using quick control, this features you can access at a time 5 features and you can very easily drag and drop. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in mobile applications. So let's start as a mobile screen. So guys, this is simple, my mobile, and I just simply open here Tesla application. So this is my Tesla application, so all informations are available here. So look at this here, middle of screen, lock, charging, front trunk is open, back trunk is open. 4 options are available here, but I want replace like a front trunk, so I want open as a driving window. So how to, just simply press here option, I press here long. So look at this here, customize control options are available here. Drag to replace, using drag and replace, simply which option you want added here and which option you want to remove. So now I just simply drag here, unlock, drag and drop here the battery, open, and then after I just simply click here twice, and after that look at this here, the option is display here. You can press here and drag and drop which option you want select, as it is as a 4 option like open, off, flash, horn, defrost car, fraud, start and sensitive and wind. So which option you want select, simply drag and drop here. So accordingly the options are automatically coming there, and then you just simply press here twice, the options is display here as a 4 option. It's very easy and simple tricks, especially on Tesla.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.